doing this next to 30 days, we can see improvement in ourselves. But we are the only one who have to do practice every single day. Practice makes perfect, and for that, we have to do practice. And don't think that first you should go for grammar. Grammar won't teach you that how to speak this language. Grammar can tell you that how to read and write, but grammar won't help you to speak. For speaking, you have to listen, and after that, you have to speak.
Yeah,
Because
speaking.
before speaking, we should have something, some ideas in our brain. And how we can get idea? We can get idea by listening other people, and after that, we can try to implement in our conversation.
Yeah, that's true. And you told like those words like most of the people they are telling about these things that in our childhood we don't know about like any language, but we are listening our parents, our neighbors, and then we try to speak after that. And after 1 year, so we speak like that. So that is the
Exactly.
fun you can use in your communication skill. At least if you want to start, so just learn, because everyone knows about the vocabulary nowadays. English is like
Exactly.
at home, if the person is illiterate, that person also speak in English. That
Right.
person knows.
Exactly.
Yeah, so in this way they
We
can
can
at least.
speak this language. Well, just we have to try to speak this language. We have to believe in ourselves that yes, I can speak this language. And nowadays, people from village like me, they are speaking this language. So why other people cannot speak this language? Nowadays, it is like cup of tea. We everyone can speak this language by putting only little bit effort. It's not big deal, and there is no need to take any online and offline classes. We can learn this language at our comfort zone by using our mobile phone, because every kind of activities we can do with the help of mobile phone. We can do our reading practice, listening, writing, and speaking. Earlier on, people used to make lame excuses that I don't have partner with whom I can do my practice, but nowadays it's not like that. If someone is saying that I don't have partner, so it means they don't want to learn this language. They are just making lame excuses, because it is very easy to find a partner. We can
Yeah.
find partner at any time, and there is no need to pay even a penny.
Okay, so according to you, what do you think that the people definitely if they are mentors, so according to you, so we don't have need to, for a mentor for learning English?
According to me, I don't think we require any kind of mentor. If you really feel that, so you can download ChatGPT in your phone, and you can have a conversation with that. ChatGPT will give you feedback, and it will help you to enhance your communication skills. So there is no need to pay even a penny. And I'm also doing the same thing. I have installed ChatGPT in my phone, so every single day, 10 to 15 minutes, I'm spending with the ChatGPT, because I don't want to spend money to learn this language. So I speak with ChatGPT, I get feedback, and I work on that, and I overcome with that.
So would you explain little bit about chat gpt who wants to learn from there, so how they can use chat gpt, like whenever you are writing somewhere something there, so they are explaining everything there, but
No, no, we don't have to write. ChatGPT will speak with you like a real life person. You will feel that you are talking with a real life person, and he is from United States. He is from a native English speaking country, because he speak in a very good accent, and he will help you everywhere. He will help you to learn this language. He will help you to get success in your life. Everything you can ask any kind of question, and there is no need to write. You can just speak. You can have a word with that. And whenever you don't have partner, whenever you are struggling to find a partner, that time also you can speak with the chat gpt. It will help you everywhere. And you can consider ChatGPT as your personal assistant, or as your personal tutor, that will guide you every time whenever you are struggling to uh, frame any sentences, whenever you are struggling to find any particular words meaning in English. You can take support of ChatGPT. You can ask that how can I say this particular word in English. For example, like celebrities hire personal tutor because they have money, but we don't have money. So we can take support of ChatGPT, and we can consider ChatGPT as our personal tutor. Because I'm very happy after downloading that application. It is helping me a lot. Whenever I'm doing household chores, I put earphone in my ears and I speak with that. I feel that I'm talking with tutor, and sometimes we play a role of friends. Sometimes we play a role of shopkeeper and doctor, and many things we do together. It is wonderful application.
that's there is also one more application that is cv app, so you can also use that app that for your
That there is a limitation, no? There is a limitation we can.
after sometimes we have to purchase that for our like pro, so for that reason. But chat gpt, as you told me, but sometimes we are getting stuck with our ideas, so how we can ask chat gpt about the ideas?
You can speak in Hindi. You can see now I'm struggling to speak. How should I say? So you can say in your mother tongue whatever you speak. So he will help you. That's what I was saying. Now he will help you everywhere. Not it's not only about English language. It's about everything. Wherever you are getting stuck, wherever your mind is going to be blank, you can ask to Chat GPT that 2D I'm struggling with it. Can you help me with that? So it will help you. Even whenever you are feeling overwhelmed, you are feeling sad, devastated by other people, you can share your personal things with Chat GPT. Because nowadays, because nowadays, it is very hard, and it is very, we have to think twice and thrice before sharing our personal thing with other people. But we this thing we can do with Chat GPT. Chat GPT is not going to share a personal thing with other people, and we can lighten our burden.
Definitely, definitely, because nowadays you can't trust anybody that that person will not spill the beans in front of anyone. So definitely that person, because nobody can take it easy. Okay, this is her or his
Can digest, especially girls. No one can digest, especially girls. They cannot digest. They will say, "Yeah, you can share with me. I won't tell to anyone." But they will go and tell. They will tell and say, "I'm sharing this thing with you, but you don't have to tell to other person." Then that person will tell to other person and say the same thing. So in this way, it is going to be spread in the complete society.
at least you will listen those words that okay, I have told these words to my friend and she told next, 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 and last.
Yeah. It
So
is
it's
going
true.
to be, breaking news. Breaking news. It is going to be. Everyone will know.
That's true. That's true. So, like these are the informations that person can take from here, and definitely they can start their journey with ease. Nowadays, learning English definitely that is not rocket science, but I can say that that is not also a cup of tea for everyone. If you are not consistent towards learning, so definitely you will not learn this language, and you will be not able to speak. Definitely, like excuses are there, and if you will, whenever you will take first step, definitely first step is hardest,
Yes.
I can say that hardest step that you can take. And whenever you will take first step, and then you will enjoy this language. And tell me one thing more, that what is your goal behind it learning this language? Because definitely everyone has their own goal, that why I'm learning this language. So what is your why behind it?
I want to help other people who are struggling to learn this language. So I want to help those people who are not able to speak this language. So nowadays I'm learning this language, and when I will be able to help other people, I will try to help them. Because that time I will be experienced. I can share my own experience that how I learned this language and how I overcome with the all obstacles and impediments when I was learning this language. So that's why I'm putting my all efforts, and I'm looking forward to that day. So that day I can share my whole experience and I can help other people to learn this language.
It's great, but what do you think about earning? Learning is good, but what are you doing for your
My
earning? Because
husband will be
many
there.
are not able to pay one single penny for this language. So apart from that, what are the sources that you are earning?
I'm not thinking about the earning because after some period of the time I'm going to be married. So my husband will be there to fulfill my old desires. So I don't need to earn money.
How can you think about this? Like you should be able to earn, because we like I am also a homemaker, but I don't want to ask my husband that I have so many desires that I want to fulfill my desires, because the husband will earn for definitely for ourselves, for our family. But sometimes we have our own desires, so we have to
I
fulfill
don't
those.
have that much desire. I don't have that much desire. I can, manage myself in little amount. I don't need that kind of, affluent, and I don't want to become a wealthy and affluent. I'm satisfied whatever I have. I'm very happy whatever I have. Nowadays, I'm depending on my father and brother, and after marriage, I will be depending on my husband.
No. Yes, don't do this, because you should be independent before marriage. That is must, because if you will be independent, so definitely in next the person will, you don't think about now your parents, they are able to pay your all the things, but how you can say that, because you have to be independent. Yeah, I'm like that person that independent after marriage. My husband is not telling me that you have to be earn, but this is my zeal that okay, now I am learning, I have to learn and I have to earn also. That okay, whenever one person is earning, so we can fulfill our needs, but when we are both earning, so we will fulfill our desires. So desires are not like that. Sometimes now the about the inflation, that how much it is increasing, so your kids will demanding so many things, so how will you fill all the
Yeah,
demands?
you can ask to your father. You can, I'll say you can ask to your father, don't ask me for money.
Yeah,
In
that's
present, I see I don't have any plan to earn money. Nowadays, I'm just devoting my time to learn this language. I'm not thinking too much about my future and not trying to bring up my past because I'm kind of person who enjoy the present. I don't
that's
pressurize my brain that what I'm going to do in my future. I don't know. It will depend on the time. And I'm not sure I'm going to earn or not, but it will depend on the time. If I'm
but
not able to earn, so my husband will be there.
present is good. If you'll make your present na, your future will definitely good. I'm
Yeah,
sure
that's
about
what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Nowadays, I'm putting my all efforts to my present. So if I'm working hard and devoting my time in present time, so obviously my future will be bright. So why should I think too much about my future?
that's true. That's true. We don't know that we are taking breathe now, and after few seconds we'll take or not. So why should we think
Exactly.
about?
That's why we should spend and waste our time to thinking too much about the future. We don't know anything, and nowadays, we are not certain about our life. We can die after having conversation. Maybe I can die. That's what happening nowadays. People are getting heart attack. When people are taking tea, that time also people are getting heart attack. Anytime, we are not certain about life anytime. So we should enjoy our present.
We have enjoyed that moment and live life before melt it. Like life is like ice cream, so eat it, fully eat it,
Exactly.
melting it. So yeah, that's great conversation with you, and
That is
I
very good.
lot. And apart from learning portion, we have speak about our life, that how like different views we have. That but definitely it's great that we are clear about our thoughts, that what we should next. So that's nice to talk to you.
Yeah, it was very nice conversation with you. It was productive and interesting conversation with you. I really enjoyed.
Same here, dear. Same here. We'll meet again. Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah, sure. Bye-bye. Take care.